Johnny Depp has relocated from the United States to London now that the legal dispute with Amber Heard is in the rearview mirror. Before we go on, if you enjoy this type of content, be sure to smash that subscribe button. The previous several years have been crazy for actor Johnny Depp, as his reputation has changed from his work as a character actor to his protracted court dispute with his ex-wife Amber Heard. He appears to be moving on to the next phase of his life, though, following the defamation case's ruling and the two of them eventually coming to an agreement. And now that we know the reason, Depp can return to Britain after leaving Hollywood. It appears that he won't be participating in any of those home tours in the near future. Johnny Depp shared a residence with his friend, the late musician Beck, during the slander case. He reportedly alternates between staying in a hotel and staying with friends on the other side of the pond while he was still in the UK after his death. But why isn't he coming back to America? According to a recent article by The Times, he feels more at home in major European cities than he does in American ones. According to an insider, the hubbub and craziness of LA and New York can be exhausting. As much as London and Paris are busy, thriving cities, Johnny still feels he can relax and be creative there. He has always loved Europe, and people love him there. He feels very at home there and finds the European lifestyle a bit more his speed. You now have it. In contrast to hectic cities like New York or Los Angeles, it appears that Johnny Depp simply feels more at home in the UK. One has to wonder if he might be able to operate with more anonymity in Europe, despite still being a very recognizable public figure. Just have to sit and watch as his post-trial life unfolds in front of us. Given how widely reported his legal struggle with Amber Heard was, it makes perfect sense for Johnny Depp to avoid large American metropolises. Those at home were able to see every second of the trial thanks to the courtroom cameras, even the upsetting testimony provided by both performers. So, the court of public opinion reached its own judgment, giving rise to a ton of memes regarding the defamation case. Although Johnny Depp doesn't appear to have found a permanent home in London just yet, he does have friends and family there. This is unquestionably crucial as he and Amber Heard try to move past their internet problems. Also feasible is a professional comeback. As soon as the verdict came down in Johnny Depp's favor, he seemingly began his comeback tour. This included public appearances at the VMAs and on Rihanna's Savage X Fenty show, as well as touring with Beck as a musician. Depp also filmed his first post-trial movie, and even picked up a directing gig. Finally, he's returned as the face of Dior's fragrance Savage. When Johnny Depp's upcoming projects will be launched is presently unknown. Already on December 25th, Amber Heard is anticipated to make an appearance in Aquaman 2. Our investigations are ongoing, so be sure to smash that subscribe button in order to stay on top of American celebrity gossip.